kutu gatanye agafilime kacu k'uyu munsi n'isasu nyamuneka kwibutsa gukora subscribe tugakomeza iterambere twifatanyije ukanda subscribe aho kuri Dieudonné official agasobanuye kagenda kugeraho ku gihe nta mutima mubi nta kindi ko tutanye nta kundi kuganira cyane cyane ikindi ariko uko bisa rwose urugamba rwarugiye rwakomerera barakwereka abasirikare bamanutse indege basa naho batatse cya cyaro tubona hasi bakagenda rwose ariko kubera intambara ariko byagenda rwose abanyarwanda abaturage babona bateguye
Hey, man. Listen, don't kill any more women. Sorensen wants to interrogate them.
I lost my glass. Hey, come on, you guys, let's go! I want to go home. Come on, come on. To check in.
here! Sergeant! Sergeant! Fuck, we don't even have a sergeant, man. Do we have a fucking radio? Hector! Why did they fucking leave us here?
No. They're not leaving us nowhere, man. There's an Arvin camp right over that mountain. That's where we're going.
Oh, that's where you're going. How much fucking sense does that make? What makes you think, Hector, that we're gonna go traipsing through the jungle with you, man?
Man, the first thing is, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm doing. And the next thing is, I'm in charge now. We ain't got no sarge. I'm in charge now.
Come on. Come on, man.
What's the problem? I think it's this way.
You think it's this way? Oh, man. I don't believe you think it's this way? This is west, man. You said the Arvin camp was north. You think it's this way? Tell me you know where we're going. Come on, son, just tell me you know where we're going, man.
He's taking us to fucking Mexico.
Screwball. I want to hear nothing from you, man. Understand? Nothing.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
By the way.
Guys! What the hell do you want from me, huh? Jesus Christ.
I am Lieutenant Cho Chen, 2nd Windsor Group, Army of Republic of the South Vietnam.
Here he is, sir.
How you feeling, Private?
Feeling better, sir.
Just relax. Just relax.
I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Private Anthony Glenn, Delta Company, 1st Battalion, 7th Air Cavalry, 1st Cavalry Division. You are hereby awarded the Silver Star from Valor for your actions and those of your squad on June 25th, 1969. Volunteering to stay behind so that valuable prisoners could be evacuated to the rear in your place. Where you want me to?
Lean into him. There.
Sir, I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but my squad didn't volunteer to stay on the ground. I mean, I didn't volunteer to stay
Sure
on
you
the
did.
ground.
It's all in Major Sorensen's report.
Yeah, but I'm not sure what he put in the report, but I didn't volunteer to stay on the ground.
Listen, Private, we're gonna give you the star. Give you 2-3 weeks R&R, and your name, your picture be in the paper back in Iowa or Nebraska, or wherever the fuck you're from. Your folks gonna be real proud of you. Well done, soldier.
Hi. I'd like to see Major Sorensen, please.
You are.
Private Anthony Glenn with Delta Company, 1st 7th Air Cavalry.
Sir, there's a Private Glenn here to see you.
Glenn?
What did you want to speak to him about?
It's concerning a commendation award.
Sir, the private
Yeah,
says...
tell him I'll be right with him. I'm going to lunch now. Could you take care of this while I'm gone? Glenn, good to see you again. What can I do for you?
Well, I just wanted to thank you for recommending me for the Silver Star, sir.
Oh, well, I am going to lunch. Care to join me? We could talk over lunch.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I gotta tell you, that what you did out there in the bush with no experience is amazing. That's instinct. What do you think?
It's nice.
You earned this. The best army takes care of its heroes. The winner.
Thank you. I just want to thank you, Major, because, sir, you know, for everything that you've done for me, and for this lunch. But there's still one question I was just wondering. I don't recall any of us ever volunteering to stay on the ground. And no, and I was wondering if maybe there was a way you could check. I was wondering if there was a way that you could check into that.
Sorry. Chung Chao. Got some business to take care of here. I'll be back in a minute. Go ahead, have some more cognac. It's okay.
Boom boom. Hey, boom boom. Gee, I want boom boom. Huh? Come on, boom boom. Come on. All right, my friend, you wait here for me, right? You wait? Yes? Okay. Okay. How you doing?
Where are you going?
It's okay, man. I had lunch here earlier with Major Sorensen. I'm just gonna go right here.
No!
Hey, man.
No!
All right. Okay! Hey, hello. Hey, kiddo. Remember me? Huh? What's wrong with you? Huh? Yeah, who is it?
Police, Jack here. Captain Bell would like to see you.
Right here.
Just you. Those are our orders.
All right, hang on.
It's kind of disappointing what you did. What a good cognac. Nice lunch. Not a word about. Shit. You know, we're not all that different. Really? I think we are. I remember when I was a kid, not too much younger than your age now. Got stuck on an L train one night between stations. Chicago, I think. And there was this vacant lot down below. There's a gang fight going on in here. Like dogs. Guys trying to kill each other. And I noticed about my level, looking down on both sides, were the leaders, nodding orders this way and that way. They're not necessarily the meanest or the toughest, but they were survivors. Even 54, I was assigned security to some special delegation, secret, to try to end the French Indochina War. I thought commies would be bad guys, you know. Ain't no difference. Survivors. Your squad. That squad expendable, you know. Thought you were all dead. 5 or 6 days later, you come out of there. No support, no firepower to speak of. You walk out of there with a local. Survivor. It's fascinating.
Why didn't you tell the truth? You know, about our squad staying on the ground.
Truth. Fable agreed upon truth. The only truth, the only reality is survival. That's all. Survivors, leaders, and the world belongs to us. It is, it's just there, it's ours.
Silver Star.
Silver stars. Yep. Everything. All of it. All.
You're sick. You're sick. Did you enjoy it? God damn. You touched her, didn't you? Yeah. And you hit her, didn't you? You like to hit women, don't you? That makes you feel real powerful, doesn't it? God. Just... oh, no.
Finished?
Is that all, sir?
No. No. Your medical leave's been suspended. As of now, you've got a new assignment, Firebase Little Alamo. Your little friend Mai. We have solid intelligence that she's spy, Hanoi spy. The report you gave to this office has been destroyed for reasons of national security. All persons involved with that report have been transferred out of this theater of operations. You fuck with me again, I'll kill you personally. That's all. You really are a fucking fool.
Priority from the main man at Maccabee Street.
Glenn? Oh man, this man's got the whole damn army on his ass and I give him a silver star. Okay, well alert our fellas to do the same thing as everybody else. If you see him, nail him. I don't care how you do it, just nail him. Damn.
Major Sorensen, Saigon. I understand you got the tags for a KIA land, first and 7.
That's right.
Tell me about it.
We were tracking a couple of VC scouts about 4 clicks north of here. There was this big explosion. We popped it. We went in recon area. We found the 2 bodies. His and a VC girl.
Way back. Sure, Glenn.
That's what the dog tags say.
You telling me you never saw him before?
That's right.
That's bullshit! Don't bullshit me. On my desk in Saigon, a little report about a sapper incident on Trudeau Street a few months back. 2 military personnel, a private Glenn, and an alert corporal by the name of Ronaldo. Now, that wouldn't be you by any chance, would it? What the penalty is for abetting a deserter. A VC collaborator at that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You on the wrong turf. I told you he was KIA.
Did, do you? Don't know. You're one dead nigger. Don't mean nothing.
I've been dead a while. But Glenn's gone. He's on his way back to the world. And when he makes it, that's gonna be your ass, Major. You can take that from one dead man to another.
Thấy không? Tôi đem ở ngoài chợ tôi đem bán ông có ấy gì không? Đây nè, tôi đem xuống lật mặt cái không? Ngồi bên đây cho ông đây nè. Em đến đây.
I am sorry we did not open until this evening.
That's okay, we're not here for drinks. Listen, we need to arrange some kind of passage.
Then go to the steamship office.
Listen, wait. I've got American dollars.
I can arrange a Canadian passport for you in another name. Since you insist on taking the girl with you, it is better for her to go as your wife.
Okay, what kind of ship?
A small freighter is best. I suggest a Filipino captain I deal with on occasion. The price is 10,000 American dollars for you both. Okay. Up front.
All right.
There is a freighter headed for Vancouver tomorrow.
Sir, Bang Pao in Saigon.
Sergeant, yeah. Where? Leave him go. Found her, boy.
It is the SS Santiago out of Manila. Passage for both of you has been arranged. It leaves at 12 noon. That gives you less than 1 hour. Dock 9. As soon as you're on the boat, you're on Filipino soil.
You okay?
S2 intelligence. It's a VC collaborator. They're getting away. Go! I need to see some ID, sir. I am a fucking intelligence officer! Go! Get on the radio! Have anybody stop that boat!
Out of my jurisdiction, sir.
Do what I tell you to do. Get on the radio and stop the boat.
Don't have the authorization to permit that, sir.
Oh no. I see. I see you. Welcome to Uganda in time. I love Rwanda.
Yes.
Very clean city.
Okay. Okay. Welcome, welcome. No, it's okay. Welcome.
I wish I know your language.
Huh?
Oh no. I see. I see you. Welcome to Uganda anytime. I love Rwanda.
Yes.
Very clean city.
Okay. Okay. Welcome, welcome. No, it's okay. Welcome.
I wish I know your language.
Huh? Really?